Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can list your products on your Odoo website. So let's get right into it. Now, this is very easy. You're just going to need the website module, and you're going to install another sort of tool within it. So let me show you guys how that is done. So just open up your Odoo dashboard in whichever way you want. It can be on the online version, it can be on the standalone on your device. It really doesn't matter. But when you're here, just go into the website module. Of course, install it through apps if you don't already have it. But if you do, just go into it. And here, just go and create a new page or edit any existing page to list out your products. So I'll just edit this existing page. And here under categories, as you'll see your products here. Now, as you can see, it needs to be installed. So I'm just going to install it really quickly. Click save and install. And that's going to install the products app, which you'll be able to use to show your product on your site. So let's just wait until this installs. There we go. It will reload upon installation, and once it reloads, you'll be able to add it to your site. So it'll open up the same page where I'm at right now, and it'll open up the editor immediately automatically. So let's say I want the products right above the form. Just locate your products, drag them and drop them right here, and as you can see, you can choose only this, and that's going to list out your products such as this, and that is pretty much it. You can click on it to edit which products you're actually gonna show. You can select whichever template you want to use, and you can fetch how many elements you want. So let's say 4, and then you're gonna need to set them up to the products of your own inventory, which I'm currently not sure exactly how that is done. So you're gonna need to either search through names, or you're gonna need to connect them to your inventory if you can. But other than that, that's pretty much how you show your products on your store. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.